What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to restore your default keyboard on POCO F6. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on additional settings. Now tap on languages and input, and then tap on current keyboard, or you can also tap on manage keyboards. Now from here turn off all the keyboards that you have installed, and after that it will automatically set your keyboard back to default. So that's how you can restore default keyboard on your POCO F6. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.